This here is the Aukey 3-in-1 wireless charging pad, a company that sent us this product that allows you to go ahead and charge multiple devices at the same time. Not only does it look cool, it's actually quite convenient. So it has an Apple Watch charger, as well as your iPhone charger, and then of course your AirPod charger as well, so you can go ahead and put all three things at the same time. So literally just go ahead and place it just like this and it'll go ahead and charge it. So it's actually a pretty cool device. So in this episode here, we'll be unboxing it, trying it out, and see exactly what it's all about. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so this is the box that we get. So this here is our 3-in-1 wireless charging station. They have other products too, including the chargers and stuff of that nature. So kind of interesting to see exactly how this all plays out. So we got the white version and the black. We are unboxing the black one. So on the top here you have your user manual, and then we have a few different accessories in here. So this here is going to be for our Apple Watch. So this will kind of clip into play. Note, you do have to use your own physical charger of your Apple Watch for that particular product. The wireless charging station does come with the cable, which actually you don't have to worry about buying a separate one or using your original Apple one, so that's always a plus. So we have ourselves a standard USB-C. So on the bottom or on the back over here, you'll see a little port, so this will go ahead and connect to it just like this. And then this USB will actually go into the wall. Again, it doesn't come with the power block, but you have to purchase that separately or use your own personal one. So on the actual product itself, you do have an LED indicator here on the front, and then you also have an LED indicator on the charging station. So this will actually just kind of clip into place just like this, and that's pretty much it. So in terms of the Apple Watch charger, so on the back here is a little slit or a cutout that you just go ahead and pop in your Apple charger here, and then you just go ahead and pop open the bottom, and then you just go ahead and run the original Apple cable through the bottom, wrap it around, and plug it into this USB slot right over here. So this here is actually our white version. I'd say I kind of like the white one a little bit more, but you can see on the bottom here exactly what's happening. So you have that cable going through the bottom, and we wrapped it around, and it's plugging into this particular port. There's also a code here that you can technically scan, so you can watch the video on how they do it too, in case you're kind of confused. All right, and then in terms of the quality itself, so as we're kind of looking around it, it's made out of a few different materials. So you have this white plastic, and then you have this like gray plastic here. You have this rubber compound on the bottom to kind of help grip it so it won't slide about, which is always a plus. On the back side of the actual charger itself, it is vented, so this will keep it cool. And then you just go ahead and slide into place. And then you have a little rubber mat here as well as here. So we have our black version and our white version, obviously based on your personal preference, of course. Very high quality stuff here, and definitely a great accessory to anybody who has Apple products. And yeah, there you guys have it. So this here is our 3-in-1 by Aukey. Very cool product here. Highly recommend it, especially if you're looking for something to kind of keep your phone and all your things together. This is definitely a good deal. Now, if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment down below. Otherwise, thank you again for watching. See you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.